Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can apply different effects for the video or the musically what you have done on the musically. So there are effects like reverse video playing or illusion effect or the slow motion effect on the musically video what you have done. You can apply that. I'll show you quickly in this video. So first, uh, as it is just record a video of 15 seconds whatever it may be. For example, I'll just record this phone video, and after recording I'll be back and I'll show you how you can apply uh, different effects. By clicking on this video you can record. This is the 15-second timer. I will record 10 seconds and get back to you. So this is the option where you need to click. See here, this is what your recorded video will be. Up to this I have recorded, and now you need to click on this tick symbol, and after that this timely symbol. And once you click on that you will see all these options, and the first one is shake. Press and hold so that all this time period the shake effect is applied. Okay, this green point is the shake effect, and this orange part is the 70s effect. And now I'll click and hold on the illusion. See here, I'm clicking and holding, so all this will be in the illusion. So from we'll go this and we'll play this, we'll see this. See, the distortion effect is there, now the illusion effect is there. And once you click on the time effects here, you will see the slow motion effect. So from here the slow motion begins. We can adjust the slow motion here by dragging on the slider. From here the slow motion applies. Once you click on save, the video gets saved, and now I am playing the saved video with the effects applied. This is the illusion effect followed by the slow motion and everything. See here, you need to click on this timely symbol and press and hold on these so that you will. Okay, this is the reverse video. So filter effects and time effects. So this is how you can apply video effects on a musical video. Hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.